What is your deepest desire? What would you like to manifest in your life? Welcome to the doorway of your deepest desires and dreams. Today, we're going to embark on a journey that will connect you with your innermost desires and help you manifest them into reality through a guided meditation with tapping. Setting clear intentions is the first and crucial step of this journey. It's like setting the destination in your GPS before you start driving. Without a clear destination, you might end up wandering aimlessly. So let's ensure we have a clear and focused intention. Imagine your intention as a seed. This seed holds the potential for the growth of your deepest desire. It could be anything, something material like a new car or a house, or something intangible like a new relationship or a career change. Think about this desire. What does it look like? How does it make you feel? Envision it in as much detail as possible. Visualize it until it becomes as real in your mind as it can be. Now take that seed and plant it in the fertile soil of your mind. Water it with your belief that you can achieve it. Bathe it in the sunlight of your positive thoughts. As you do this, you are aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the manifestation of your desire. Remember, the power of intention is immense. It's like a beacon of light that guides the universe to bring your desires into your reality. The more clearly you set your intentions, the more powerfully you can manifest your desires. So take a moment now to connect deeply with your intention. Feel it in your heart. See it in your mind's eye. Believe in its possibility. Let this intention be your guide as you move through the meditation. Now that you have your desire in mind, let's move on to the next step. In the coming moments, we will delve into a transformative process that will allow you to tap into your inner power and manifest your deepest desires. Meditation is a beautiful journey, and today we will walk through this journey together. This process is not just about sitting still, but about creating a connection between your mind, body, and soul. It's about grounding yourself in the present moment and finding inner peace. To start, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can be alone and uninterrupted. It's important to create a peaceful atmosphere that allows you to focus and relax. This could be a spot in your home, a tranquil outdoor area, or even a quiet corner in your office. Once you have found your perfect spot, sit down in a comfortable position. Keep your back straight and place your feet firmly on the ground. This posture helps to maintain your focus and connects you to the earth, grounding you in the present moment. Now gently close your eyes. This will help to shut out any external distractions and allow you to turn your focus inward. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly release it. Repeat this process a few times, focusing on the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Next, it's time to introduce tapping. Tapping, also known as emotional freedom techniques, is a powerful tool that combines ancient Chinese acupressure and modern psychology. It's used to physically alter your brain, energy system, and body all at once. To start, place 2 fingers of your dominant hand on the karate chop point. This is located on the outer edge of your hand, on the opposite side of your thumb. Tap this spot gently while stating your chosen affirmation out loud. For example, if you wish to manifest a new job, you could say, "I choose to manifest a fulfilling and rewarding career." This affirmation should align with your deepest desires and be stated in a positive, present tense. Repeat this process 7 times, allowing the energy to flow through your body. Feel the vibration of your words and the rhythm of your tapping syncing with your breath and your intentions. Now move your dominant hand to your forehead, just above your eyebrows. Tap this spot gently while stating, "I believe I can manifest my desires." Repeat this process 7 times, visualizing yourself achieving your goal. Continue this process, moving through the other tapping points. Your third eye, the side of your eye, under your nose, your chin, your collarbone, and under your arm. With each point, repeat the tapping and affirmations 7 times. Now you know the first step of the process. Let's continue. Now we will start the guided tapping meditation. Let's begin by bringing our focus back to the deepest desire that we've identified. Feel the weight of that wish, the intensity of your longing. This is the desire we are going to manifest. Let's start by placing 2 fingers of your dominant hand on the karate chop point, located just below the base of your palm. Gently tap this point as you affirm aloud, "I choose to manifest my deepest desire." Say it with conviction, with belief. Repeat this 7 times, feeling the energy flow through your body with each tap and each spoken affirmation. Next, move your dominant hand to your forehead, just above your eyebrow. This is your brow point. As you gently tap this point, say aloud, "I believe I can manifest my deepest desire." Again, repeat this 7 times. As you do so, visualize yourself achieving your goal. See it in vibrant detail. Feel the emotions you'd experience. Hear the sounds around you. Make it as real as possible in your mind. From there, we move to the other tapping points, repeating the process 7 times at each one. Begin with your third eye, located between your eyebrows. Tap gently and affirm, "I see myself manifesting my deepest desire." Visualize it happening. Move to the side of your eye, the crow's feet point. As you tap, say, "I am open to manifesting my deepest desire." Feel your mind expand to the possibilities. Then tap the point just under your nose, the upper lip point. As you do so, affirm, "I am ready to manifest my deepest desire." Feel a sense of readiness and anticipation. Next, tap the chin point, just below your lower lip. As you tap, say, "I am manifesting my deepest desire." Feel the certainty, the inevitability of your success. Now tap the collarbone point, or the lucky bone. As you tap, say, "I am lucky and deserving of my deepest desire." Feel the truth of this statement resonate within you. Finally, tap the point under your arm, the balance point. As you tap, affirm, "I am balanced and aligned with my deepest desire." Feel a sense of harmony and alignment with your goal. Remember, with each tap and each affirmation, visualize your desire manifesting. See it, feel it, believe it. When you have completed the tapping sequence, pause for a moment. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. As you breathe, visualize your desire manifesting. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Feel the joy, the satisfaction, the sense of accomplishment. Keep breathing deeply and visualize your desire manifesting. Congratulations on completing the guided tapping meditation. What you've just experienced is a powerful tool to manifest your deepest desires. By tapping on the karate point, the forehead and other key locations, you've started to clear limiting beliefs and open yourself up to receiving what you desire. Remember, this process involves connecting with your deepest intention, stating your desire aloud, and visualizing yourself achieving it. The beauty of this practice is that it can be done anywhere, anytime. You've taken a significant step today, but the journey doesn't end here. The benefits of this practice amplify with regular use. By making it a part of your daily routine, you could start seeing profound changes in your life. It's like watering a seed daily, nurturing it until it blossoms into a beautiful flower. Remember, the key to manifestation is consistency. Keep practicing, keep believing, and watch your desires manifest.